I don't think you understand how much your transformation has really showcased to a lot of people what's possible. And I think that it's a massive testament to you, man. You've been fantastic on the program so far, and obviously loved having you on. But I'd love to know, like, when you first started, what was kind of your expectations of everything?
Oh, when I first started, I was nervous as fuck and very unsure about doing the whole program thing. And I always had that expectation of trying to get abs and always told myself, yeah, one day it'll happen. But yeah, to see it actually sort of start coming through now is just, I couldn't imagine it.
What do you reckon prevented you from getting help sooner?
Probably just one of those things of like I was still wanting to be social with friends and go out drinking and still wanted to be doing all that stuff, but sort of always wanted, this is the path I wanted, but I was still always sucked back into that lifestyle. And I just thought, oh, it would have been a waste of time and sort of money to do it when I wasn't mentally ready for it. Whereas now, like, I'm not getting any younger. I wanted to do something and I want to start living a better lifestyle.
Yeah. What made you kind of pull the trigger on it and say, "Bugger it, I'm gonna actually invest in myself and I'm gonna do it"?
Oh, I just realized I'm not getting any younger. It's something I've always had in, what, as a goal to be at my fittest and lead by example for me kids. So there's no point saying, yeah, I'm going to do it and then not doing it. Actions needed to happen.
Yeah. What do you reckon would have happened if you never did take that bet on yourself?
I want to change for my kids. So the only way to change is to take action about it.
Yeah. Where are you at now? What's life like now, 12 weeks later?
Oh, it's pretty good. I still have some down days mentally, just from running my business and stuff. But not physically feeling heaps better, being able to move around, run around with the kids, playing footy and stuff. But I just noticed, like, bending down to pick something up, you're not aching because I'm carrying all that extra weight. And like, I'd been trying to get into running for quite a while, and it was always really hurt being up around that 100 kilo mark. Like, it wasn't fun. So now that I've dropped a bit of weight, like doing those bit more long distance runs have been a lot more easy. It feels good to be able to move and not have as much pain.
It's awesome, man. It's awesome.